Okay, class, this is high school, and introduce yourself, please. Hi, I'm Lavamy, and I am the coolest dude ever. I love basketball, Kobe. I love sports, and if there's a fire there, just tell me. I can suck up fire. I have superpowers. Pew pew pew. I don't actually have powers, but I actually do. I don't know what I do with my life. And maybe you can come up. Hi guys, I'm Bear, and I'm smart. Anyways, I love Pokemon. Why you throw that at me? Because you like Pokemon. Stop it. I'm strange. I'm coming. Anyways, break it up, class. Okay, guys, we're gonna put some rules up in here. We're just going to tell the rules, and we might learn. I think we will. We're gonna learn about college and all that stuff. And okay, first rule: no fidget spinners. And don't be like, oh crap, I'm been more fidget spinner. Oh crap, my brother fidget spinner. I fidget spinner. Anyways, we're gonna learn about college. Okay, right up if you know something about college. Okay. Okay, this is what I feel of college. I think college is jail, and I think I'm gonna be homeless if I don't pass. And if I be homeless, I will go to the police and then punch them in the face so I can actually have a life in jail. I could just move on. Okay, I'm gonna move on. Anymore? Just come here. Just a little bit more. Please, just a little more. You know what, screw it. Class dismissed! Finally, class is dismissed. Ow! What? Oh, hallelujah! Are those basketball trophies? Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, but is the basketball tryout? You're right in here. Should I write my name? They say this team always wins. Wondering, do we really win? Let's see. Beside my back. Anyways, is that a hoop? I'm gonna get my basketball real quick. If that's a real hoop, I'm playing on it. Kobe. Wow. Cannibalism. Hi guys, and I'm done with this thing. If you want more, I'm actually going to make some hoops for this basketball thing. I've got it for my championship, and yes, I play basketball. Anyways, yeah, if you want me to continue this, nothing. Just, if you want me to, just do it.